Hey guys, it's some behind the scenes for the Matt Team movie. Because you guys, because I don't know who needed this, but in today's video, we're going to be showing some voice acting and some computeristic stuff. So yeah. Okay, bro, cool your beans, bro. Oh my god, Okay, cool your beans, bro. Okay, cool your beans, bro. Okay, cool your beans, bro. Whatever, just look on your map. Welcome to the animating part. This is my cam to see what I'm animating. Okay, so let's get into it. As you can see, I just got a frame done. Now I have to import it onto my computer. So let's go do that. Okay, cool your beans, bro. That's what I have to do, even though you probably didn't see it. Yeah.